Everyone keeps saying that AI is coming for your job. But they're wrong. AI isn't coming for your job. It's coming for the parts of your job you hate. The endless reports, late-night emails, repetitive tasks. By 2030, the most valuable person in the room won't be the one who can type fastest or even code the best. Because the future of work isn't about replacing humans. It's about redefining them. Every technological revolution brings fear. But this time, it feels different. Machines are not just replacing our hands. They're starting to replace our minds. From self-driving cars to automated warehouses, from AI chatbots to design generators, algorithms are now performing tasks once done only by humans. For millions of people, this new wave of automation feels like a silent storm. You don't see it coming until it's already here. A recent study estimates that over 300 million jobs could be affected by AI and automation by 2030. And yet, the full impact is still unknown. The fear isn't just about losing work, it's about losing purpose. What happens when the machines no longer need us? Every revolution replaces some old ways, but creates entirely new ones. Artificial intelligence isn't ending work, it's evolving it. AI is already diagnosing diseases faster than doctors, helping teachers personalize lessons for every student, and designing structures engineers once took weeks to plan. In the future, AI won't be our competitor. It'll be our colleague. The best teams will be part human, part machine. Jobs won't disappear. They'll transform. The repetitive will vanish, and what's left will be creativity, empathy, and human judgment. This is not the end of work, it's the beginning of a smarter, more human era. Every revolution creates new kinds of work, and AI is no exception. For every task that disappears, new possibilities emerge. Tomorrow's careers will look nothing like today's. We'll see AI ethicists ensuring technology stays fair and transparent, data translators who turn complex information into real decisions, and prompt engineers, experts in communicating with intelligent systems. We'll need AI trainers, robot designers, and virtual environment architects. Entire industries will rise around technology. We're just beginning to understand. The future will belong to those who learn continuously, people who blend creativity with technology. These are not just jobs of the future. They're the jobs of a smarter, more connected world. If AI is changing work, then the best way to prepare is to change how we learn. The future doesn't belong to those who know everything. It belongs to those who keep learning. To thrive in the age of AI, we'll need three kinds of skills: analytical, understanding data, algorithms and systems; creative, solving problems in ways machines can't; human, empathy, communication, ethics, and teamwork. When these skills come together, something powerful happens. AI stops being a threat and becomes your most valuable ally. Because in the end, the story of AI isn't about replacing us. It's about amplifying what makes us human. If you believe in learning, adapting, and building the future, subscribe and join me as we explore the world where humans and AI shape tomorrow together.